Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to combine PDF files on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. To combine a PDF, you have to use a free website. Open your web browser and go to a trusted site like mergepdf.com, ilovepdf or smallpdf.com. Now go to your preferred website. Once you are here, click on the Choose File. Now upload your PDF files from your computer. You will see a button saying Uploading. Once it's uploaded, arrange the files in the order you want. You can just drag and drop it. Once you are done, click on the Merge Files button. Your merged PDF file will be downloaded. Click on it to see. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.